Can you tell me what being part of Active means to you?
Well, being part of Active is all about keeping healthy, fit and healthy is the main thing, but lots of spin-offs is when I come here, such friendly, interactive staff. It means I can interact with them, which keeps the mind healthy as well. And again, the staff being friendly, it encourages me to come back every time. So it's really part of my life now over the last 4 or 5 years since I've been coming here, and I'd struggle to do away with it now.
What does it mean to you to be part of Active?
For me, I joined Active on Sunday, January the 23rd, 2023. I know because I got a book, I write everything down. I started Active to become fitter and healthier. By progressing 4 times a week as I come here, I do feel much healthier, much fitter. It is also a very sociable event. You meet new friends, you get to know new people. The staff are very helpful, very knowledgeable, and they help you in any way to improve your workout and better yourself in everything you do, and try to gain steps and gain leaps all through your training.